Is a fatal four-way tag team match. Introducing first, the team of Natalya and Beth Phoenix.
The tension building for this match is so thick you can cut it with a knife. A lot of drama involved with this one.
And their opponents, first, Dakota Kai and Michin Damage Control.
The WWE Universe has been counting the days, hours, and minutes for this match to start, and the countdown is almost over. And here they come.
Making their way to the ring, the Olympians!
Matches like these, with talent of this caliber, this is why sports entertainment is an art form.
Spitfire Warriors!
And their opponents, the team of Katana Chance and Kaden Carter!
The longest reigning NXT Women's Tag Team Champions in history!
Hey, they dance as good as they wrestle. Go, Kaden. Go, Kaden.
Byron, I'm a much better dancer. You know I've won many dance contests. Tag team tornado match underway. Multiple teams facing off, but there will only be one winner.
Everyone competing at once. You really need to know the status of your partner.
Cover! That could have been it right there. But now here's Carter. Shin breaker. Russian leg sweep. Not done there. Rapid fire lights over and over. Nothing was being held back with each of those strikes. And it looks like she wants to take this match outside. She wants to take this one outside the ring, it seems. She re-enters the ring now.
coming at full force here.
Muay Thai clinch.
You know, I have to ask Corey, how much of an actual strategy is there in a no disqualification match?
Honestly, it depends on the...
Can she do it here? And looking at Katana chance.
Big forearm.
Oh my, dragon screw.
Oh, that hurt. Being hobbled like that, something to keep an eye on.
That is the kind of move that leaves our jaws on the floor. Unbelievable. Getting the upper hand by taking away your opponents.
Oh, boy, to the announce table now.
Oh, yeah, they're going to clean it off here. This is going to be dangerous.
We knew this superstar had a mean streak. We didn't realize that they were downright ruthless.
Lots of potential for injury here at ringside. These superstars better be careful.
The floor, the barricades, our table, none of these things are fun to collide with.
Just doing anything they can to chip away at the base.
Things take cover. But now to Phoenix. And she kicks out at 2.
If she keeps the pressure on, the next one might do it.
Oh, look at this. Hair pull mat slam. Oh, no. Now possibly setting up for a submission maneuver.
The amount of force.
Almost a miraculous escape and a side slam.
Ooh, what a forearm club. Can't lift anyone at that shoulder. It keeps getting worked on. Into a powerbomb.
What goes up must come down, and it sure as hell did right there. Oh,
Caden saw it coming.
Planning on what to do next.
Right to the throat. Ooh. As the arm bar stretched in.
And some effective offense with that one.
shooting pain in the shoulder is the kind of thing that builds and builds during a match.
Shoulder right to the midsection. There!
That was vicious.
And the count's broken, keeping the match alive.
Oh, this is Natalya's wheelhouse.
The Hart family legacy lives on. Sharpshooter applied.
Wow, she breaks the hold.
Suplex.
Setting foot in the ring now.
Oh, from behind.
Oh, wow.
Frankensteiner.
Nice.
Katana perched up top. Sharp chop.
That's gonna sting.
And come on now. Distasteful offense we've just witnessed.
Utilizing the top rope to inflict more punishment. Across the top rope.
And she gets herself out of a precarious position.
And finds a counter.
Oh, sister, look at these series of...
But now Natalya for the win. She pops the shoulder up and one.
This match continues on. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Playing possum. I love it.
Oh, that was close.
This could be it.
Cover for the win.
Inverted face lock into an elbow drop.
And that can vanquish Natalya.
We don't see this every day. The claw right to the shoulder of her opponent.
I love it. Scratching it. This could be it.
Beth could take this one.
Now we see Carter. What destruction we've seen. Neither woman will stop this onslaught.
They're locked in a heated battle of human chess and hoping to end it here.
This is it. Maybe not.
A little creative here.
Down with a lariat.
Taking it outside the ring now.
I can already feel the sting of the kendo stick, and I do not care for it.
That offense really hitting her hard. She turns it right around with a counter.
apply the pressure with this submission maneuver.
Perhaps thinking something else here. She's going for it. That could have been it right there.
Dakota Kai. Detonation kick.
Then we have Katana.
Katana may have put the exclamation on this one.
Is it enough? The cover!
And there's the save.
Oh, look at this wicked striking ability. What energy in this arena tonight.
I'm getting goosebumps. Oh, no, I think we're going to see
The electric chair. Nope. Rolling elbow right on the mark.
taking a moment to get pumped off of this crowd's incredible energy.
Big forearm.
And set right into the corner. Oh, that surprises Beth.
Both knees into the face.
Oh, sit-out slam. Got it scouted.
Listen to this crowd. What a feeling.
And these superstars are feeling it too.
No count out as she takes this fight to the floor.
Yeah, Kai's in danger of getting shut down here.
That'll turn your lights out.
The Thomas strikes with Natty by nature.
Look at this. Snap suplex. And now she delivers her back into the ring. Ooh, that hurt right to the kidney. Here we go. Somersault plancha to the floor. That's playing fast and loose with your own body.
That is weaponizing your body. That's what that was.
The close of this match is just ahead.
Holding on by a thread, maybe even less at this point.
Hoisted up. Down.
Taking the easy way.
Run out of ringside and back to the mat.
The glam is on, looking to remind her opponent who's in charge here.
Will be ended here. 3, no.
Heavy body shot and an uppercut.
You see the agony on her face. This is pain. And she escapes the submission.
This could be the beginning of the end.
Oh, and she lets her free.
But the damage was certainly done, Michael.
Oh, look at that. And she releases the hold as she feels that enough damage has been done.
Should have kept on wrenching. Why show mercy now?
Queen of Hearts.
And now this superstar looking to flex their submission skills. Has their opponent all tied up.
Trapped and no.
And for some reason, looks like she has other plans here.
I think she was just looking to soften her up a little there.
She's going for it. This could be.
And there's the breakup. Just in the nick of time.
This has got to be it.
There it is, the abdominal stretch.
Grabbing the ankle for extra toe. Not sure why, but she releases the hold.
Well, I think she sensed her opponent was about to break free.
Round and round we go. Moves outside. What's the plan here?
The sledgehammer. How do you come from that?
Look out! Oh no! Crashing hard onto the floor.
Really thought that was going to work, but now we got a human being we have to scrape off the floor.
And the WWE Universe continues to remain on their feet. They know they are witnessing something special here. Rear European uppercut.
Nail digging right into the skin.
Hoisted up. Burning hammer. Tossed back into the ring. Big boot. Incredible. Uh-oh is right. Into a clothesline. She's got her in her sights. Chops down their opponent with a kick to the knee. Heavy body shot and an uppercut. Clothesline. Nope. She's got the shoulders down. Makes the cover.
With the crucifix chokehold submission.
This one.
And the agony has no reason to end as we see her tapping out in pain. Stops the attack with a hit to the gut.
Suplex.
Beth Phoenix displaying that power. Look at her opponent. Accordion referee.
No. Backbreaker. But now we see Carter. Cover. 2. Oh, and she picked up a monumental win.
Here are your winners, the team of Katana Chance and Kaden Carter.
Tag team chemistry in full effect with these two superstars.
A win's a win, and it's also all that matters here in WWE. Good job.